So, I think we'll expect them to not only attempt to blame George, I think you'll see them attempt to blame Chauvin throughout the trial. And I don't know that any of us are surprised by it, but obviously we're disappointed each time that there's an effort to assassinate George's character after he himself was physically killed by Officer Chauvin and his co-defendants.
Just tired. I just think all the time that every time I look at TV, any social media site, every day I see my brother. He's always on trial. It's never the police officers. It's never their fault. My brother had the weight of 4 officers on him, and the fact that the world, he was basically carrying the weight for the world when he had those officers on him because of systemic racism that plagued our nation for years. I'm getting physically tired of watching individuals just like my brother being murdered every day by police and being on TV all the time for the same thing, and it's always their fault. Nobody ever says it's the other person's fault.
Each officer on the scene had a choice. It's against the law for them not to intervene when seeing another officer performing misconduct. And at that time, they were well aware that he wasn't breathing and unresponsive. And nobody turned him over. Nobody said, hey, we shouldn't be kneeling on this guy with all of this weight. We should be helping him. He needed help. He needed medical attention.
That wasn't an accident. They knew what they were doing. He didn't lie to y'all because what you have to look at is if it was a mistake could be made right. This can't be made right. So that's the reason he made that statement.
You say so.
Yeah, no, I hear you. They got decent. They got both though. They got a decent story.
How y'all doing?